In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Excel. This simple skill can significantly improve the way you handle and present date-related data within your spreadsheets, making it not only more presentable, but more useful across different geographical contexts. To start, the beauty of modern technology allows us to access powerful programs right from our web browsers, and Microsoft Excel is no exception. Once you're ready, navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online that includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This suite of tools is readily available and just a few clicks away from enhancing your data management skills. Upon reaching the site, the first step is to ensure you're correctly signed in to access Excel online. Look for the Sign In button, usually prominently displayed. This step is crucial as Microsoft's cloud services ensure that your work is not only saved, but can be accessed from any device, making your work flexible and mobile. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to type in your email. This is your Microsoft account email, which could be a personal, work, or school email, depending on how you have set up your account. If you've used Microsoft services before, this process will be familiar. Following your email entry, click Next. You'll then pass through the usual security checks, possibly including password input and any two-factor authentication you may have set up. Microsoft takes security seriously, so this may involve receiving a code on your phone or email, which you'll then need to enter to proceed. Once signed in, it's time to get hands-on with Excel. For this guide, I'll be using a pre-existing example, but feel free to use your own Excel document if you prefer. The process we're going through will be the same. With your spreadsheet open, find the date or the range of dates you want to reformat. It's as simple as clicking to highlight the cells with the dates in question. Once highlighted, right-click to bring up the context menu, which presents a variety of options. Our target here is the Format Cells option, a powerful feature that allows us to manipulate how our data is presented in Excel. Clicking on Format Cells brings up a dialog box pulsating with formatting options. Here you're looking for the Locale, Location drop-down. This option is particularly useful because it allows you to format dates according to different geographical norms. This means you can present your data in a way that's immediately understandable to your global team or diverse audience base, without the confusion that often comes with date formatting across different cultures. After selecting your preferred locale from the Locale, Location drop-down, you will witness the magic of Excel as it transforms your date format to align with your selection. It's a simple yet impactful way to ensure clarity and avoid any misunderstandings that might arise from the way dates are presented. Remember, Excel is a robust tool with numerous formatting options, so while we focused on changing the date format today, know that there's a world of customization at your fingertips. The ability to alter date formats is just the beginning. Excel's formatting capabilities extend to numbers, text, and beyond, offering you precise control over how your data is displayed. With the tips shared today, you're well on your way to becoming more proficient in Excel, enhancing not just your presentations, but the overall readability and understanding of your spreadsheets. Tailoring your data's appearance to suit your audience's preferences or your project's requirements is a valuable skill in any data-driven environment. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide on changing the date format in Excel. Be sure to experiment with the different formatting options available to you, and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy spreadsheeting, and see you in the next video.